president does not have the power to help you. Only you have the power to help you. You can do anything you want to do. If you don't want to do it, you will find an excuse. If you want to do it badly enough, you'll find the way. The president does not have the power to help you. Help yourself, because guess what? No one is coming to save you. And if theoretically the president or some entity out there had the power to save you, then guess what? They have the power over you. They control you. You would be a prisoner to them. So the president has no power to save you. You have the power to save you, and you have the control. No one is coming to save you. That might sound like bad news to you, but guess what? Here she comes to save the day. Liberty be justice. There's no period in my view because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legends. You're worth it. Guess what? Am I liberty? Yes, but you are liberty. You are free. That's the thing. The greatest power that we have is the power of choice. Life is all about choices. That's what my grandma always said. So choose to believe in you. Choose to take your control and use it for the good of yourself and others. Everybody always complain, I don't know how to make money. I can't do this. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough time. You need money to do it. You need time. You need time, and you don't make time. Don't blame time, because not having time is not an excuse. You have time for what you make the time to do. Everybody has time to do what they want to do. Okay, and everybody spends the money that they have on what they want to spend it on. Okay, so, okay, let's say you don't have money. You don't have time. It takes time to do something great. Take the control and realize that, hey, I don't know how to create a podcast. I don't know how to create a YouTube episode. Okay, well, I didn't know those things either. You know what I did? I took the time to learn. Okay, so take the time and invest in learning in yourself. Go watch Nick Nimen's YouTube channel. That's what I did. I watched Nick Nimen. He talks about YouTube and how to grow your channel. I've been watching him every day. Grant Cardone. I got this idea from Grant Cardone on how to make this episode. And you know what? Every day, I wear this. And I didn't wear it today. It's falling out because I'm getting small. I'm not small. I'm strong. I'm strong like you. Anyway, so I've been losing weight, but it's really big on me. But look what it says: champions dominate. Don't be a little beep. Yeah. Okay. Look, I paid only $2 for this, but to me, it's worth billions. I said I'll be a billionaire, but Grant Cardone saved my life. Anyway, I was wearing this when I got hit by the truck. Check it out. We'll talk about that later. There's episodes about when I got hit by a truck, and I said a brain hemorrhage can't stop me from serving you, and it can't. Nothing can stop me. You know why? Because I took the power into my own hands. I said I'm going to make this happen. I'm going to help my family. I'm going to create these healthy recipes. I'm going to sell this ebook. Buy the ebook. It's called Sweet Liberty. It's gluten-free, sweet recipes, and it's only $20, and there's no sugar, diabetic friendly, no processed foods, and it's all for healthy, and part of the profits goes to Operation Underground Railroad to help kids escape from sex trafficking. Okay, but check it out. You have the power. Only you have the power. I created these things. So guess what? Great news. The president doesn't have the power over you, but guess what? That means he can't take credit for the things that you did, right? He can't take credit for you becoming a billionaire, right? So I can say, oh, I'm waiting on the president. It's the president's fault. He should send me some money, or the government should give me some more money. No. Because if you depend on someone else, like the government, the president, if you blame them for you not being successful, you blame them because you don't have enough money, then guess what? Number one, they give you the money and you're going to blame them and you're going to want more. And they have the control over you. And then That's 2. And then number 3, they always have the power over you, and it will never be enough for you. And you can't stand up and be like, yeah, I did that. I created all that stuff. I helped all those people, and I became a billionaire. Okay? So, am I liberty? Yes, but you're liberty. I changed my name to Liberty because freedom. I want freedom. I don't want people controlling me. I don't want the government controlling me. I don't want the government telling me what I can and cannot do and when I want to do it. Okay, with whom I want to do it. If I take the bus driver they can tell me what to do and what not to do, and I don't get to control who rides on that bus. I was molested on the bus twice. Okay, once in LA, once in Columbia, South Carolina. I did an episode on that too. Yo, I'm in control. Okay? Haha, I may not look like much now, but guess what? I've been drinking milk. Look for my sunglasses. I've been drinking milk. And guess what? One day, I'm going to be a billionaire. And you get to witness it, and you get to be a part of it. Okay? So, if you're listening to this on Apple or Spotify, thumbs up. Share with a friend. Give us a 5-star podcast review. YouTube, if you're watching this, do us a favor. Follow us on TikTok as well. And give us a thumbs up on YouTube. Share this with a friend. And click the link to buy Sweet Liberty gluten-free recipes. $20. It goes right to your email. Okay? Thank you so much. Make sure you follow Grant Cardone and Nick Nimmin as well. Shout out to my mama and Aunt Kathy. Love you guys so much. I'll do anything for you. And guess what? You have the power. I've got the power. You know, I've got the power. I can't do it like the lady sings, but snap like a snap of a. Anyway, you got the power. So only you could prevent forest fires. Now, you got the power to help yourself, to create things that will help other people, that will create wealth, and you get to claim it. You get to claim your victory and be like, yo, I did that. You have the power. You have the control. They don't control you. You might think that they control you. You can't do this. You can't do that. There's a lot of things you can do. Even if there's laws, there's ways that you can get around those things. There's ways that you can get around, like COVID, for example. Oh, I got to go to my job. I got to wear. Yeah, but you only got to wear the mask 8 hours a day. What are you doing the other 16 hours of the day, right? Is that right? Yeah. Look, you can do anything you want to do. And if you want it badly enough, you'll find the way. If you don't want it, then you'll find an excuse. So if you want it, connect with us. All right? You're worth it. Take your power back. All you got to do is realize you've already got the power right inside of you. You're worth it. Thanks for watching and or listening.